Next one, we're going to take angular velocity and linear velocity and put them together. So linear velocity is how far the car is traveling, one point along whatever's turning travels in that time. So, for example, a wheel on a car tire is traveling at 30 miles per hour. That is a linear velocity. And we're going to write that 30 miles in 1 hour. The tire's wheels have a radius of 15 inches. That's going to be important. Find the angular velocity in revolutions per minute. So we need a couple of things here. I need to know what the circumference is. So if my radius is 15 inches, that tells me my circumference is 2 pi r. And so we're going to have 2 times pi times 15, or 30 pi. And the unit on that is inches. It's really important that we note what the unit is because we're starting with miles. Okay? I also need to know a couple of facts. I need to know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And I need to know 1 foot is 12 inches. Okay. So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to convert. I'm going to take care of the time first. Oops. Okay. So, 1 hour. I want to get to revolutions per minute, so I want minutes on the bottom at the end, and I want revolutions on the top, which means I need to take hours and change it to 60 minutes. Okay. The next one I'm going to do is my miles. 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And I'm going to do 1 foot is 12 inches. And now this is the really tricky one. 1 revolution, because my goal here is to get to revolutions, right? 1 revolution on that car wheel is going to travel the distance that the circumference is. So 1 revolution is going to be 30 pi inches. Okay? So now you can see my hours cancel, my miles cancel, my feet cancel, my inches cancel, and I'm left with revolutions on the top and minutes on the bottom. When I multiply across on the top, so we're going to have 30 multiplied by 5,280 times 12. It's a good thing we have our calculator. We get this. Then we multiply the bottom, I get 1 times 60 times 1 times 1 times 30 pi. So we're going to get 1,800 pi. Now this is really, really super important. When you type this in your calculator, you need to put parentheses around this entire denominator, because otherwise what the calculator will do is it'll divide by the 1,800 and then it'll multiply that result by pi if you do not put the parentheses. When we do this out, it comes out as 336.135 revolutions per minute, or RPMs. You could write it as RPM also. Hope this helps.